This is Pampas grass that we've got growing on our front lawn, and it's great and it's really pretty when it comes out. It's pink, the flowers are pink. They have they've gone white as they've got older, but the problem with the Pampas grass is it's in the wrong place, and the best way of getting rid of it is to burn it down. And we're okay here. We're nowhere near the... Bonjour Bernard. Ça va bien?
I'm doing it.
So we are going to burn it and we're going to move it because springtime is the best place, best time rather for. Oh, here we go. Yeah, it's the best time. It's going to go out.
It's not.
Is it? Is it gone? Yeah, once we burn it down, we can then see what the new shoots that come up, and we'll propagate it. Oh, that's going.
Well, if it burns all of them, it burns all of them. As soon as it stops there, that's the last thing.
Ooh, that's hot. So that's cleared that nicely. You can see how this happens with all perennials. The centre dies and the new growth comes on the outside. But they have really nicely formed probably about 12, 15 clumps that we can now cut the tops off and dig the clumps up and replant them down the end. This won't hurt the plant at all. In fact, it'll rejuvenate it because it'll bring light and air into the middle of the plant. So success. So yesterday we burnt down the Pampas grass and we left it overnight to cool down, and it's now in fairly easy bite-sized pieces. So we're digging them up and we're moving to the side of the pool. So I've got the root ball out. This is the third one I've got out. I should take it down now to the side of the pool and replant it. So I've now planted 3 of them. We'll scatter them all around the back, plant them all around the back, just to give a nice fold from the pool. It's still a mud bath around here, and I'll leave them to shoot in a couple of weeks, and then I'll trim off all the stuff that didn't make it, all the shoots that have died. I'll probably tidy up some of these loose stems as well in a little while. But it should look really good in summer because they're tough as old boots, and they should recover nicely. So the Pampas grass, which you can see right in the distance over there, we burnt that down and I've split it all up and replanted it around the pool. and from one big clump up there it's created 18 smaller clumps here. Pampas grass is as tough as old boots, so I'll water it all in, and by midsummer it should be a nice green bank. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe.